Oh, well, hello. So, I want to show you how to use the nuclear simulation map. So I'm just on our My Bellarmine page. Um, let's go all the way back here. So, My Bellarmine topics, we have a new topic called the Cold War. So if we look at the Cold War, you can see there's a video to watch where you can see every acknowledged nuclear explosion in the in the world. And then down here is a thing that says test nuclear bombs. So we can click on it and it takes you to this map. Um, and this map lets you do a lot of things. So you can select from a list of common cities for the target, or, oops, you can also add something yourself. So let's add 2300 South Washington Street, Tacoma, and then just click go, and there we are. So Bellarmine is now our target. Then you can either choose a warhead yield at random, or you can select from a preset. So if we wanted to do Little Boy, this is the bomb dropped on Hiroshima, we can select it. And then you get two basic options. Do you want it to explode in the air over the target, or do you want it to explode, hit the ground and explode? And then do you want to see how many people it kills? We do, and radioactive fallout. And then it also does, so we're going to maximize air bursts. We're going to leave kind of the rest of these. Ooh, crater. You see we can adjust wind speed. Ooh, we can add the mushroom cloud dimensions. Nice. So once we select all of that, so this is a 15 kiloton warhead dropped. So on the surface, so this would be like it landing in the quad at Bellarmine. And if we detonate that bomb, we can see here it spits out some information. So it would leave a crater 46 meters wide. Or sorry, the inside radius, so that's down here. And the crater depth of 22 meters. Fireball of 260 meters. Heavy blast damage, which would be out to about half a kilometer. That's this red line right here. Moderate blast damage is this next line. Radiation is all of the green. So this is lethally fatal radiation. Thermal radiation is out to the orange. The light blast. So glass windows would be breaking. So this would be like, minor blast damage. And then yellow, orange, and red, these areas are where the fallout would go. So we can zoom out if we want to, oops, wrong one. So we can kind of see what the fallout would look like from the blast as the wind blowing across the area would most likely take it. So you can play with this. So if you want to try something else, so if you want to see the difference between so that was a surface blast. Why isn't this giving me fatalities today? Airburst. So we detonated. I don't know why. I don't know. In the school, it was showing me fatalities. I don't know why it's not showing me over here today. But it should give you a fatalities list, and then also you can see the changes. Some of the um, All right, so let's clear all effects. There we go. So airburst, advanced options. So you can do this. You can move it all over the world. If we were going to drop a bomb on Honolulu, if we were going to drop the same bomb on Honolulu, and again, I'm not sure why it gave me fatalities in class when I was playing with this, but I don't know why it's not here. So, play with this. See what you can learn, and see about the dangers of nuclear weapons. And then, you can also pick different warheads from this list. So there's quite a bit.